Hi everyone, Caroline here. I know many of us have had someone die, someone transition, someone cross over, someone leave this planet and whatnot, and these are people that we loved so dearly. So, my question is, how do they communicate with you from the other side? Do you ever notice that they communicate with you? And if so, how do they communicate with you? How do you know that someone from the other side is communicating with you? Last year in 2025, my beloved father died. I still can't even believe it until now because in my immediate family, he was the first person, or rather, he's the first person to die. I've had relatives die, but like in my family line, my dad was and is the first person to cross over. So he died in July, the 17th of July, 2025. And after he died, and me being the person that I am, usually when someone crosses over, I can tap into that energy, or I usually see the people when they're transitioning, especially when they're from my immediate family, my relatives or whatnot. Somehow they always show up for me, and I can usually tell that someone has died, or I'll see them when they're crossing over, or they usually come to me and they'll give me a message of some sort. I usually have that understanding. I've always been like that. So when my dad crossed over, I kind of expected that he was going to come through, and he did. I knew what was happening to him when he was crossing over. And then, through many dreams, I've had so many other interactions with him to help me cope with the grief that I've been feeling, and also to just kind of help me understand that he's always close by and he's always around and whatnot, which is something that I know that when people transition, usually their relatives are always hovering around, or some people are usually around and they provide comfort to those who are left behind. And some of them even come across from the other realms to support us in many ways. But anyway, that's neither here or there. The interesting thing now is how my dad has started communicating with me and letting me know that he's around through the use of repeating numbers. Sometimes you hear how people talk about, this person died and, they saw these numbers, and whenever they see specific numbers, they know it's that person who is communicating with them. But I just never knew that it would happen to me. And the way it happened was just like, okay, what is this? This means something. So I started seeing the number 717 all the time. And this is a new code for me. I never used to see that code before. I had never seen it. It was just not part of my repeat number sequences that I usually see, or any new one that I knew about. So 717 was a new number for me. And I started seeing it all the time. I started seeing it on my watch. I'd see it on my laptop. I'd see it on the microwave clock. I'd see it on the clocks everywhere. I'd see it on registration numbers. You know what I mean? The number was showing up every time. Every time I went to the kitchen, the oven, oh my gosh, the number was there. Like it was 7:17 p.m., 7:17 a.m., 7:17 somewhere. And then I started wondering, what is this new number? What does it really mean? It's showing up so frequently. Caroline, pay attention. And then it hit me. Caroline, 717. Your father died on July 17th, and July is the seventh month, and he died on the 17th day. So daddy is talking to you. Your dad is talking to you. Your dad is communicating to you. He died on 717. And every time you see 717, daddy's here, your father's here. You know what I mean? So I started just feeling such warmth and such joy, when I would see the number 717, I was just like, oh, hi, dad. Okay, hi, dad. It's good. It's good. Okay, it's all good. You know what I mean? Oh my God. Yeah. So the number 717 is now so important to me because it's the number that lets me know that my dad is around and that his spirit is always present. And I have now tested it for myself and I know that it happens as a fact. So I'm wondering if any of you have gone through this process, and how does your loved one communicate with you? Do they communicate through numbers? Do they communicate through signs? Do they communicate through dreams? Or do they just not communicate at all? Let me know in the comment section how you experience this whole thing. And until next time, we are not alone. I love you guys. Bye.